It's giveaway time. What's up, guys? 4x4 Cowboy here, back with another video. And today we're doing the 100 subscriber giveaway. We're actually at 102 subscribers, so that's pretty freaking cool. You may be asking yourself, why is he eating chicken noodle soup? Is he dying? You got it right, I'm dying. I have a fairly highly contagious and highly deadly disease known as strep throat. Chicken noodle soup will fix that. Alright, let's put that down for a second. But yes, today is the giveaway video. So, as some of you may know, we're giving away the Yeti 45 Special Edition Red. How we're going to do this is you basically put your name down in the comments or just comment on the video, and I'll pick the people out of that, because I know not like all 100 and whatever subscribers are active. So if you pretty much watch this video and comment down below, you'll be entered in the giveaway. And that's how we're gonna do it. I think I'm gonna give it like 3 or 4 days. You have a chance to enter, and then after that, I'll do another video picking it. Thank you so much for 100 subscribers. It's crazy. I think it's been like, I was looking and it's like the last 28 days we've grown like 66 or 67. That's just crazy. I do have a video coming out later today or tomorrow. I've got like it's a longer video. It's working on my truck video. It's actually pretty cool. Yeah, I took apart the rear end because the pinion bearings are out. Actually, no, they're not. The sleeves inside there are out or messed up or something. And coming out with that video today because, you know, I'm dying, so I have a lot of time on my hands. But yeah, you see the new hat? That's the hat I designed. 4x4 cowboy hat. Cowboy hat. Yeah, so I might be coming out with some of these. I'm trying to find like a website or something I can sell them on, so I don't have to, or I'm either gonna do that or just like whoever wants to buy one, they send in, you know, a order deal or whatever, and I'll just order a bunch of them at one time. Probably order a couple extra in case anyone wants to buy one. But yeah, so that's about it for this video. Comment down below to win the Yeti. And like I said, thank you for 100 subscribers. See you later.